we're going to leave for the stirrup and we're going to bend it, but we're only going to bend it square for the moment. We're not going to close it with a hook. And the next thing is that we're going to mark here where the rod reaches with its 90 bend or square here on the outside. Look, I've already made the mark. So, what I'm going to do now is turn the piece over and we're going to mark it to be able to make stirrups of 10 by 15 and larger measurements. We're going to put them in fives. Let's put it at 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 or whatever measurement you want. For example, if you want to make it 14, then mark it at 14 and so on. So, what I'm going to do is take the measurement from where I marked it. Let's move the mark one made a little bit closer to the back. So, we'll take 10 centimeters from the outside of the stirrup because that's going to be the size of the stirrup. So there you can see that I have 10 centimeters for the outside of the stirrup from the mark that I had made here in the back where the folded rod ends. And we're going to mark it. Now we're going to mark it in the corner. And here we're going to insert a rod, a small piece of rod just like the one we inserted here. I'm going to mark a point more or less that represents the thickness of the rod. And you'll see it there. I marked it there with a pencil. And look how super easy it is to make. Now we're going to make a stirrup. We're going to finish the one we started, which was this one, the one with the square only. But this time we're going to bend the entire hook, as stirrups normally have to be. Okay, we're done. Remember that you're going to need a clamp. These clamps are sold in hardware stores, but if you can't find them in the country or region where you live, you'll find a link above on how to make one yourself. This rod is 45 long to make a 10 by 10 stirrup. We make the first fold. This is square. This mold is ideal when we are not going to make a large number of stirrups, because the only disadvantage it has is that it starts to wear out from